Hello and welcome to unboxing and first look of my new Muc-Off jet wash. Get it opened up. Arrived today. Let's have a look. Oh, it's got a nice fancy box inside. It's in a pretty cool box. Got this. It's the base of the bag. It comes in a nice bag. That's the box. Just open it up. If I can. Good. So, what have we got in here? We've got 2 microfiber cloths drying down the bike. This is a bike specific jet wash, but it can be used on motorbikes and all purpose as well. So we've got bike protection spray for post wash. Got 1 litre of Muc-Off fast action cleaner. Got the concentrate, the same fluid, up to another 4 litres, so another 4 of them, previous one. So with that and that, we have 5 litres of this. Right, what have we got in here? Got the lance. Seems pretty good. Seems reasonably strong. Right. Here. This, I think, is the dry bag that holds the jet wash and all the equipment. Yeah, that's a nice, very nice dry bag, the size of that. That's pretty good. Velcro top as well, so it's not just the roll up and clip, it's actually got Velcro top that's even better for holding all the cleaners and the jet wash itself in there. What else we got? Got the hose for the lance. Right, what have we got in here? Got 2 little clips that these go on the side of jet wash, and then they hold a lance and all the separate lance ends. Right. Top handle for the jet wash. Seems reasonably strong. Jet wash out itself. Now this is the party piece. Right, look at that. It's not massive, but it's not tiny. Hopefully it's going to be pretty good. I was actually lucky enough to win this from a company called MTB Giveaways, where it's basically a raffle site where you buy tickets and you have a chance of winning. I was lucky enough to win this. It's exactly what I wanted for the muddy days out on the bike. Pretty decent long power cord. Can't wait to actually get this in use. Everywhere's all snowy outside at the moment, so actually going to have to wait till that clears, although I could go out in the snow. Wait till that clears. Went out the other day, it was rather muddy. I could have done with this. Alright, what else we got in the box? We've got 3 lance ends here. this one. What's this? So it's a motorcycle one. Motorcycle specific one. And then got your bicycle one. And then here we should have a multi-purpose. So here's the multi-purpose one that you could obviously use this jet wash on car, you could use it on the patio, anything you want, but the benefit of the bicycle lance is that it distributes less power, so you don't damage any of your bearings on the bike, so it's not overly powerful. Here you've got, it's basically the lance extension, so if we stick it together, that goes in like that, and we'll just stick the multi-purpose one on. If I can figure it out, there's a button to push, and you push the button in, push it in. That's pretty decent. Yeah, I think this is going to be nice. And what else have we got on here? We've got this. This is the bit that I like the most. I say like the most, I really like the feature of it. It screws into your diluted solution. You put that in there, put that in there, and you can actually attach it to the gun. I think you probably take this one off like this. You actually take both off like that. You screw that into there, and you can do your nice foam over the bike. I really like the look of that. That's everything you've got. Instruction manual. Some pretty cool graphics on the inside of the box. Tell you what, the box itself is a beautiful piece of kit. But yeah, just like to thank MTB Giveaways for making me the lucky winner of this, and thank you Muc-Off for making such a nice jet wash. I'll do another video on the first use of this, and we'll see what it's like. Thank you very much for watching.